welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and in today's episode I want to show you how I make my breaded shrimp. I'm going to take you to the ingredients so we can get started. In this bowl I have all-purpose flour, garlic powder, paprika powder, salt and pepper, chili powder which is optional, salt and pepper additional, some shrimp, additional dry flour, and I'm using panko breadcrumbs. Now my shrimp, what I did is I just run my knife in the shoulder of the shrimp just to open it to make it butterfly. That's why we call it butterfly breaded shrimp. This bowl, I'm gonna mix all this dry ingredient, and we need some water as needed. I'm gonna add water and mix this. Just mix until combined and you don't see lumps. Now to my shrimp, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I'm just gonna use my hand and give this a mix. I already washed my hand and everything is ready to assemble my shrimp, my breadcrumbs, my flour. I need a plate and also my butter. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just hold it. This is why we need it with the tail. It's more easier this way. You're gonna dip the shrimp into the butter just by holding it by the tail. Good. And then to the flour. And then to the breadcrumbs. And then you want to make sure that the middle gets all the things, the butter, the flour, the breadcrumbs, just like so. We're gonna do one more, and we want to make sure everything gets the butter, the flour, and the breadcrumbs, just like so, and just set them on a plate. Keep doing the same, keep repeating the same process until you're done. And I also want to mention that my oil is preheating back there. My oil is ready, and I'm gonna start frying my shrimp. My temperature is on medium low. Don't put too much at a time. Just use a fork and slowly turn the shrimp around. You don't want this to burn without cooking inside, so make sure you have the right temperature as well. And then just fry until golden brown. My breaded butterfly shrimp is ready, and I actually want to dig into this one. I'm telling you guys, this is so crispy. Hear that? Oh my goodness. You have to make this. You guys have to make this. This is so good. Get the recipe down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.